Hello friends, welcome to PowerPoint Planet. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design these beautiful infographics with PowerPoint. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Let's begin. Okay friends, let's start by formatting the background. Right click and choose Format Background. Let's make it solid fill and under colors, we choose this white background darker by 15%. On the shapes box here, let's pick the rounded rectangle, holding Ctrl and Shift key to draw on the screen. Pick a circle holding Ctrl and Shift key to draw. Put the circle inside here. Make sure it is aligned at the center. Holding the Ctrl key, click on this rounded rectangle and the circle. Click on the Format tab and under Merge Shapes, choose Subtract. Let's make the shape fill white and make it no shape outline. Click on this shape and under Shape Effect and apply the outer shadow. On the Shapes box, let's pick a circle holding Ctrl and Shift key to draw on the screen. Pull it inside here and make sure it is positioned at the center. On the Format tab, change the shape fill to white color and make it no shape outline. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the circle. Format this one by changing the shape fill to this pink color and making it no shape outline as well. Holding Ctrl and Shift key, resize it. Under the Format tab, click on Shape Effects, choose Shadow and apply the outer shadow. Let's apply the outer shadow here as well. Click on this circle and press Ctrl D to duplicate it again. Pull it outward and enlarge it. Under the Shapes box, let's pick the rectangle to draw as shown. Holding the Ctrl key, select the circle and the rectangle and on the Format tab, choose Merge Shape and choose Fragment. Delete the unnecessary parts and allow just a semicircle. Click on this semicircle and head over to Shapes Fill and choose this pink color. Pull it here. Make sure it is positioned at the center. Under the Format tab, click to send backward. Click on this rounded rectangle here and press Ctrl G to duplicate it. Pull it outward and resize it. Put this other half inside here. Under the Format tab, change the shape fill to this pink color and click Send Backward. Press Ctrl A to select everything and press Ctrl G to group. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it once and pull this other half this way. Under the Format tab, click the Rotate tool and choose Flip Vertical. Pull this other half upward like this. Holding the Ctrl key, use the scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom in. Click on this and press Ctrl D again. Pull this other half this way. Click on this one and duplicate it as well. Clicking on this shape here, press Ctrl D to duplicate it one more time. Pull it this way. Press Ctrl A to select everything on the screen and head over to the Views tab and enable the guide. Make sure they are positioned at the center. Let's go ahead and format these other shapes with different colors. Press Ctrl A to select everything, right click and choose Group. Select Ungroup. This ungroups everything. Click on this shape here and under the Formats tab, pick this color. Under the Homes tab, pick the Format Painter tool to apply the same color here. On this other one, head over to the Formats tab and choose this color. Use the Format Painter to apply the same color here. Format the other shapes with different colors of your choice. Pick the text box and type in 01. Change the font to Impact and change the font color to white. Increase the font size and pull it inside here. Let's add the text box and the header. Select this text here and reduce the font size. Press Ctrl A to select everything and make it center alignment. Put this text over here and make sure it is properly placed. Press Ctrl G to duplicate and put this other one here. Good. Now our design is ready. Since I already have some formatted icons, I will click on this first slide and select all these icons to use them. Okay guys, now our slide design is ready. Let's add some animations. But before we begin, let us disable all these numberings using the selection pane. So while on the Home tab, choose Select to enable the selection pane. Holding Ctrl key, select all these shapes here with the numbers in it. Toggle them here off. Click on this first shape here and under the animations, let's choose Fly in Animation. Click on this shape behind. Click this little arrow to choose the Zoom Animation. Select all these shapes here plus the semicircle and this icon and choose the Zoom Animation. Now head over to the Home tab and enable the selection pane. Let's enable the first text box here with the number. Holding the Ctrl key, select these two shapes here with the numbers and text in it. Under Animations, let's choose the Zoom Animation. Now if we try to preview this, you will see how everything plays in that beautiful order. Let's apply the same animation here. Click on this shape and choose the Float in Animation. This time, click on Effects option and choose Float down. Click on this other shape behind and choose the Zoom Animation. Select all these shapes here and apply the Zoom Animation. Again, click on the Home tab to enable the selection pane. This time, let's toggle on this other text box here. Holding the Ctrl key, select this text box plus the header text and choose the Zoom Animation. Follow this same method and apply the same animations to these other shapes here. For this reason, I'm going to use the fast forward mode. So you see guys, we have achieved our objective of this video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the red subscribe button because I upload this type of content on a weekly basis. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching and see you in my next upload.